For diabetic retinopathy, the recommended guidelines is for people with type 2 diabetes should be screened for the first time at diagnosis of diabetes, because type 2 diabetes is a silent disease and is, again, because screening for diabetes is not happening, people are usually diagnosed with diabetes when something happens to them. So the recommendation is for type 2 diabetics to be screened for diabetic retinopathy at diagnosis. For type 1 diabetics, the recommendation is within first 5 years of diagnosis of diabetes. We should screen for diabetic retinopathy so that we can diagnose the disease at an early stage. This will help us educate the patients about the disease, help them to have regular follow-ups, give treatment in a timely manner which can prevent a loss of vision, and also help them to optimize their systemic control to prevent progression and prevent vision loss due to diabetic retinopathy. I have been associated with the Remedio and its fundus on phone camera for the time since its inception. We did the first study wherein we validated this camera by comparing images taken on the FOP with Topcon images, and this was published in 2015 in Ophthalmology Retina also. Eventually, it has been widely used in our vision centers. They regularly acquire images of patients using this camera. They upload it to the EMR, which can be seen easily by us. In fact, I have had instances when the MLOPs who are managing our vision centers have really seen a dramatic presentation or a case. They have immediately called me up and they have sent me those images either by WhatsApp or on my email to have an instant opinion from me as to, "Madam, I'm seeing something very unusual. Can you please guide me? Can you please tell me? I'm sending this patient across to you." So it has had a great impact. AI is definitely beneficial for us. The AI is looking at the fundus images and it is screening the patients for me. It is identifying that group of patients alone whom I need to take care, and it can sort out those patients for us who actually we need to take care of. That way, we can utilize our knowledge, our time to actually treat the patients who require treatment rather than spending all of our time and energy in screening, which is very crucial for a place like India where we have a huge population. Our population tends to be very remotely located, not easily accessible for doctors to go to, and not easy for them to come down to a base hospital every time for screening.